Now I'm going to show you how to withdraw your liquidity from the various farms on the Minswap DEX. So unstaking it from a farm and then also withdrawing it from a liquidity pool. So you need to move in a couple of steps to withdraw all of those assets out. And let's say you're selling it, it's time to sell, you need bills to pay. This is the way to do it. So let's get into it here. I'm on the minswap.org website. I'm under Earn Liquidity, and these are my liquidity positions at the moment. I have some liquidity in a USDM ADA pool here. So let's first remove the liquidity from this particular pool here. And there's a really cool feature that I can use to remove that liquidity. And this is a zap out feature. So instead of removing my liquidity and selling it for two of the assets here, USDM and ADA, I can zap out into one particular token. In this case, I'm going to zap out to ADA, because then I can move that to a centralized exchange and then sell it for fiat currency. So here now I've got my LP tokens. I'm going to go 100% of those LP tokens are going out. Click on zap out, type in my password, sign, submit, and I'm out. That's it. That's quick and easy. I can now move those particular assets to a centralized exchange and exit for fiat at any time I want. I just have to wait for that to, there we go. I didn't have to wait that long. That went on chain and has now gone back into my wallet. I can see my wallet balance going back up. So now I have my ADA assets, which I can now move off to anywhere else I want. So hopefully you found that video useful for withdrawing liquidity from a particular pool on the Minswap DEX. If you want to learn more, there are plenty of other tutorial videos here to go through so you can learn all the features around Minswap.